place of extreme poverty, violent gangs, and chaos. A country that, despite so much help and billions of dollars in aid from other countries, just can't seem to prosper. But a closer look reveals a different side of the story. The story of a country of enslaved people who fought their colonizer and won, but then was severely punished for that victory. The story of Haiti cannot be told without the role of imperial powers that for centuries have extracted wealth from the country through violence. We don't talk enough about how even in recent years, countries like the United States have continued to meddle in Haiti to exploit the land and its people for profit. This is a story of how the Haitian people have been denied their full freedom and sovereignty to rule themselves. Haiti Men was France's most lucrative colony. About half of all the coffee and sugar imported to Europe at the time was grown in what we know today as Haiti. It was also one of the most brutal colonies in the world, according to some historians. By the end of the 1700s, there were an estimated 500,000 enslaved people on the island. They were so tortured and abused that their life expectancy after being brought to Saint Domingue was just 3 years. In 1791, thousands decided they had had enough, so they organized and revolted. Against all odds, they beat the French, and in 1804, Haiti was born as the first Black republic. It was an incredible victory. Former slaves that won against Napoleon's troops to become the first independent country in Latin America. But their colonizer wasn't going to let Haiti go so easily. More than 20 years after Haiti had declared independence, France sent warships to the island. If Haiti wanted to be recognized as a country and peace of mind that France would not reoccupy them, they would have to pay their former slave owners. Haitian leaders agreed to a debt of hundreds of millions of dollars in today's money to essentially pay reverse reparations. And then things got even more sinister, because in order to pay that debt, the new country had to take out loans. And guess who offered them those loans? France, specifically French banks. So Haiti had to get into debt to pay the debt. On top of that, banks charged the new country huge commissions and fees, and that became another way to squeeze Haiti for profit from afar. One of the banks that profited from Haiti's debt went on to later finance the construction of the Eiffel Tower. And when the United States learned about how much money could be made in Haiti, Wall Street wanted in. Banks like National City Bank in New York bought shares from Haiti's National Bank. And in 1914, something unbelievable happened. U.S. Marines went into Haiti's National Bank and grabbed $500,000 worth of gold, put it on a boat, and took it to New York, to the vault of National City Bank. The U.S. explained that they had to do this because of the political instability in Haiti at the time. They feared rebels would take the gold, so they decided to do it first. But even after they stole that gold, Wall Street kept pressuring the U.S. government to intervene in Haiti to make sure the banks got their profit. And the following year, the U.S. got the perfect excuse. Haiti's president was killed by an angry mob.
Then in 1915, United States Marines land in Haiti to battle Haitian bandits, threatening destruction of American property.
They stayed for 19 years, making it one of the longest U.S. occupations, just behind Afghanistan. During that time, U.S. officials took full control of Haiti's finances and forced the country to take on more debt. I say forced because even after Haitian officials said they didn't want another loan from a U.S. bank, American officials insisted and then installed a president who would agree. Just to be clear, at this point, Haiti was a sovereign, independent nation, but the U.S. was occupying it, managing its finances, and making sure U.S. banks got paid. According to a New York Times investigation, Haiti was spending more paying debts to National City Bank and its affiliate than it was spending on the country's government-run schools. National City Bank still exists, by the way. Today its name is Citigroup.